Vec2vec just dropped, and our models aren't safe anymore. The paper shows that language models like BERT, OpenAI, Google Secret Stuff might be seeing the same reality, but from different angles. This is called the Platonic Representation Hypothesis, and it means if your model is big enough, it learns the same underlying structure of language, just rotated or stretched a bit. A new paper from Cornell builds upon this idea and shows that you can align any two models' embeddings even if they were trained on totally different data. And this is what's called Vec2vec. Think of Vec2vec like Google Translate, but for model embeddings. You don't need labels, you don't need access to the model, just lots of raw vectors. And it learns to map between these two spaces really well. Look at these results. Like after translations, the embeddings line up almost perfectly. And once they're aligned, you can even invert the embeddings, as in this case, you can see how they were able to reconstruct text just from the vectors. This is big. And this is where it gets scary. Say you've trained a model. You've only exposed its embeddings in a vector database. No one knows your model, so that information's safe, right? Nope. With Vec2vec, someone could translate those vectors into a known embedding space and then reconstruct the names, entities, sensitive information. Now, it's not like somebody can steal just a handful of embeddings and decode your secrets, but if you give them, say, 10,000, that's enough to start reconstructing that text. So the next time someone says, oh, we're safe, we don't expose the models, just the embeddings, time to teach them a little bit about Plato.